So I'll show you how to do Japanese ga gi gu ge go. Okay, so Gaijin way, ga gi gu ge go. It's like your throat is really loose. Japanese way, ga gi gu ge go. So what I am applying is nodo break. Like break means break. Nodo means throat. Okay. So let's say ga moth. So you completely close your throat. Like you can experiment it with water. If you drink water, you can completely hold it, like kind of closure at the back of the mouth. Ga. I can even show you. Ga. And also I recommend closing it quickly. Ga. Okay. So let's practice this with some examples. Lady Gaga would be Lady Gaga. Gaga. I'm applying nodo break. Next one, school is gakko ga. Gakko ga. But it's kind of annoying to stop all the time, especially if it's in the middle or at the end, or if it's not at the beginning of a word. It's kind of hard to close completely, so you don't have to necessarily have to do that all the time. Gakko ga. But I think I would recommend doing it. Ryugaku. Like it's kind of hard to say ryugaku, but just try, and if it's too much you don't have to do it, but just apply soft nodo break. Ryugaku. Okay, let's practice this. Ga gi gu ge go. Okay, the trick here also I want to add is when you say u, gu, and go, this feels like a separate topic, but you have to have rounded lips, like ga gi gu ge go, and then that adds some kind of a muffled effect. Ga gi gu, like it sounds muffled. And hold on a sec. This is a guitar pedal called Crybaby Wow Effect. Wow pedal. With U and O, if you go like U, O, the sound quality becomes a little bit muffled and unclear, and that kind of adds Japanese authentic kind of quality of sound. So I highly recommend. Without wow effect, it will sound like this. Ga gi gu ge go. It sounds so gaijin. So instead, ga gi gu ge go.
Eigonodo, mata ashita.